Hello, this is Sophie from US Arts and Design. I have put together a quick introductory video to help parents and students understand how to use the mirror clip. The mirror attaches to the clip using magnets. It can rotate a full 360 degrees. I will show how to use the clip with two different devices, my laptop and my phone. I have already prepared a pencil and paper on the side. As you can see, the mirror rotates. Clipping on the mirror can be a little finicky, but when it is clipped on, you can see my keyboard in the reflection. Angling the mirror, I can now show my paper. I have drawn a heart and a flower and traced back over them in Sharpie as the lighting may be a little difficult to see. But as I take the mirror off, you can see the image is exactly as I have drawn. I will be switching over to my phone now. Take in mind the little hole that I point at. This is where the camera peeks through. As you can see, lighting is a little more manageable with a mobile device. The drawings are visible and the writing is legible, but it is mirrored. This relates to the profile camera. As we focus on drawing, teachers are okay with viewing a mirrored image.